In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively delete a task from your Google Calendar. This is a simple process that ensures your calendar remains clean and organized, allowing you to focus on the tasks that truly matter. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the Google account associated with the calendar you're looking to modify. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the familiar layout of your calendar view where days, weeks, or months are displayed depending on your personal settings. Next, look for the specific task you'd like to remove from your calendar. Tasks in Google Calendar are easily identifiable by the small checkmark icon next to them, which sets them apart from events and reminders. These tasks can be placed on any date or time you've specified when creating them, so if you have several, be sure to locate the correct one you want to delete. Once you've found the task, click on it. You'll notice a pop-up window appears, providing more details about the task, such as its title, date, time, and any additional notes you might have included. Here you have a few options like editing details, checking it off as completed, or in our case, deleting it entirely. Now take a close look at the pop-up interface. You'll see a trash bin icon. This represents the delete function. Go ahead and click this trash bin. This action signals that you want to remove this task from both your calendar and your Google Tasks list, ensuring it's erased from your schedule and the task list simultaneously. Once you've clicked the delete option, observe how the task smoothly disappears from your Google Calendar. It's almost like it was never there, helping to declutter your calendar view. The simplicity of this process is one of the reasons why managing tasks on Google Calendar can be such a seamless experience. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to manage your day-to-day activities without unnecessary hassles. It's important to remember that once you delete a task, it cannot be recovered. So, always double check to make sure that you're removing the correct task from your calendar. This will prevent any unwanted loss of data or scheduling blunders, helping you maintain an accurate representation of your scheduled and completed activities. And that's it. You've successfully removed a task from your Google Calendar. I hope this guide has made you feel more comfortable navigating and managing tasks in Google Calendar. With a decluttered schedule, you'll be able to focus more effectively on your priorities. Thank you for watching, and as always, feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments section below.